Hey traders, this is Travis from ProfitbullPro FGM Management. Welcome to week 52 review, aka this is week 41. Uh we're going to be talking about the US dollar pairs, Great British Pound, and the euro. As you can see right now, we have the euro, so let's start with that. Euro, out of all the currency pairs, I would say this was a loser, It only beat out EuroCAD. All right, and surprisingly beat out the Euro Great British Pound. The pound had beat it by 39 pips, and the CAD had beat it out by 71 pips. This week, I don't see this happening again. And I'll explain why. We had those moves. If you're in a Telegram group on the FGM side or the Profitbull Pro, we were looking at shorts for the euro from the beginning of the week. What we'll just jump right into it. What actually pushed us on the opposite end was on the 20th for the FOMC economical projections. That was the catalyst that pushed the market up way, way high to the highs of the 1.145. Whole numbers, how magical. I know IE and myself were skeptical, really upset, but we got that move that we were projecting or forecasting um, for the week of March 18th through the 22nd. Now, as you can see, what gave us that push down magically at the 1.139 level was the market manufacturer PMI flash, which happened at, I want to say, 5 a.m. Eastern time. So if this is London, 8:30 a.m. or 8 a.m., ladies and gentlemen. But all in all, the biggest move was 202 pips, which was the Euro JPY. Great move if you were trading that. This week we do have a watch list. We have on our watch list for this week of the 23rd into the rest of the month. We have the Euro JPY for a short, Euro Great British Pound for a short, and Euro New Zealand Dollar for a short. In the beginning, I was kind of mixed for that, but I don't know. I really do see that as a short. Obviously, we're gonna be shorting Euro USD strongly. We have a strong push on the US dollar for this week. If you don't watch our COT reports, then you won't know. But yeah, the new COT report will be this Friday, ladies and gentlemen. So keep an eye out on that. So that's that for the euro. Now, some news articles, as we spoken about, the European manufacturer PMI signaled deeper slowdown in the euro. Doesn't help that we have Brexit. It's all connected. If you do want to read this article, it will be in the description below this YouTube video. And if you're in our Telegram group, you get these notifications throughout the week. I'm always dropping, the team and myself are always dropping fundamental news articles that I may see or they may see throughout the week. And then in our open Telegram group, if anybody wants to share, that's what we're here for. It's a community, we're a family at Profitbull Pro, FGM Management. That's what we do. So just trying to share the wealth of knowledge and make profits together. I'm not gonna really get into it too long. Like I said, it will be in the description. We just went over. It's the PMI. Hey, not a good look. Long story short. So that's that. Let's get into, I guess, see what's on the list. Great British Pound. Let's do it. Left to right. So if we look here, we had the unemployment rate for January. Now, for the Great British Pound, as we already know, it got beat out by the euro. So if you're watching all these 52 weeks, if the euro beat out Great British Pound, right? And I know I talked about that on week 52. What does that show? It shows that the Great British Pound, is weak. Euro will get strength in the near future, maybe in April. But that's what I'm seeing, if this happens. But like I said, Euro beat out the British pound, so that's a good sign. Good sign. So PMI, not PMI, unemployment rates for January was on March 19th. Pushed the market up. Cool. Then we had, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. I feel like every video I'm yawning. Anyway, then on the 20th, we had inflation rates year to year. On February, got a little push up, but then crash right before the U.S. session. All right. Then we had the retail sales, also negative news. BOE interest rates pushed up and then impulse down. Also, we had this impulse down because if you're not familiar, just talked about it. Euro. So yeah, and then some USD information here that we'll get into. But let's get into the pips because I know y'all love the pips. So 299 pips, Great British Pound / JPY. JPY was a great runner last week. It was the winner of the whole week, next to New Zealand and Aussie and Switzerland franc. Also told my Switzerland franc, Great British Pound, 200 pips, laws, and New Zealand dollar, 205 pips, and USD, 83 pips. Now this is from open to close. I say this in every video. This is numbers from open to close. It's not the swings that we had. Like if you're a professional and very educated trader, you can make a lot of pips within these noise or fluctuations in the market. But from open to close, those are the numbers. Yeah, and then let's get into the middle child, which is the US dollar pair. Now we're going to look at the DAX on this one. DXY. The big hoo-ha was the FOMC monetary policy statement, which that's what pushed it up. This volume, as we already know, for that euro, that's what pushed this up. Accumulating wealth, pushing in another direction. That's how the market moves. So, doesn't this look familiar? Flipping it. You gotta move the money. Flip it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, stay with me and y'all understand. All right. So FOMC monetary policy pushed it down, pushed that wealth into the euro, vice versa. We had to move up, get the push up. So hey, that's that. That's the story of last week. Now let's get into the pips. Euro JPY. JPY was the winner. So we had 155 pips. Disgusting. But you know what? Somebody has to take the money home. Euro USD. I apologize. US dollar Switzerland franc. Second winner of the week. Beat out the US dollar for 86 pips. And that was a 0.86% win. But I've been saying, hey, we're going to be shorting Switzerland franc. We're going to be getting, not shorting Switzerland franc, buying Switzerland franc, buying JPY. If you went to week 43, I talked about this. When emerging markets like these or our safe havens are getting momentum or strength, we're going to see weakness in the euro. We're going to see weakness in the Great British Pound. We're going to see weakness in the US dollar. Like, as you watch these videos, you're going to understand what's going on is in that ProfitbullPro FGM. We're profitable traders. We do it every single day. No fluff, no gimmicks. This is what we do. So once again, we thank you. We love you. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Give me a comment. Give us a comment. And if you want to see more, join us on our Telegram group. The description will be at the bottom of this video. Thank you and keep making pips. Take care.